Hey folks, Lee with Real Rollers. Ever have a situation where you move your throttle forward and you don't achieve your full RPMs? In 1 minute, let me show you how to adjust your throttle cable and you'll never have this problem again. Step 1, remove the air filter and the air filter cover. Step 2, I'm gonna move the throttle from min all the way to maximum. Step 3, I'm gonna loosen the throttle cable holder so that I can pull this back tight until the throttle assembly comes in contact with the governor. Once that is slid back from this black wire, I'm going to tighten it down firmly, and now you'll see that I have full movement of all of my RPMs. So the last step is putting your air filter and your air filter cover back on the Swardman so you're good to go. In recap, what we did today was give ourselves the full RPM movement on our Edwin mower. To do that, all we had to do was loosen the holder that keeps this black cable in place and tighten up the slack that was in it and then retighten the holder. Thanks for watching our troubleshooting videos. For any additional information, check out our other videos at realrollers.com.